Hello guys, we thought of sharing with you how cloud infrastructure can help your applications scale and perform without crashing down, and how we can help you migrate your applications over to the cloud environment like AWS or Microsoft Azure.
The problem with a server in your office or even a virtual machine is that its configuration is fixed. Like it has 8 GB memory, 4-core CPU, 512 GB hard disk, etc. An application running on such a fixed configuration machine can absorb a fixed amount of maximum load. So if the traffic grows, the server can go out of memory, or the CPU may time out and stop serving the request, or even go down and may need a reboot also. Hence, it can result in significant downtime.
A database management system like MySQL or Microsoft SQL Server or any other RDBMS is another very important component that in several applications resides on the same machine where application code is running. A large amount of data in the database can fill up the hard disk space, hence slowing down the database operation as well as the application code running on the same server. Another issue with the application code and database is that if the machine collapses, the database also goes down, and data can also be lost if the machine does not come back.
To properly architect the software application so as to reduce the risks like out of memory, CPU timeout, and application shutdown, a plan is required to understand the traffic volume and the time it takes to serve a single request. And based on that, serverless infrastructure need to be brought into the application architecture like AWS Lambda or Microsoft Azure Function apps, AWS SQS, or Azure messaging queues.
In simple words, AWS Lambda and Microsoft Azure Function apps can be thought of as services that provide you with extra servers automatically when the traffic grows, and these extra servers are shut down when the traffic to your application is reduced. There is also parallel execution by these runtime servers so as to serve more client requests in parallel than what a single machine can do, hence maintaining high performance. You pay only for the amount of time the traffic was high and the additional servers were running.
A similar solution exists for database servers with AWS RDS and Azure Database Service. AWS RDS offers AuroraDB, which is a serverless environment that automatically allocates additional resources for the database management system like storage space, enhanced memory, and parallel instances to support a higher number of concurrent database connections and execute a larger number of SQL queries in parallel. So your database not only remains separate from your application but also stays stable and performs better.
This is how cloud platforms can make it easy for your application to manage high traffic and perform without crashing down.
If your application needs to provide service to a large number of customers, you should consider talking to our experts for advice and implementation to ensure you could sell with confidence. Write to us today at the email ID given below and we will be happy to assist you.